It's no secret that cruises have gotten more and more expensive over the years, but right now is the perfect time to book your cruise because there are some of the cheapest deals out there. Hey everyone, what's up? This is Jordan with JJ Cruise. Thank you so much for clicking into the video today. Well, today I'm going to give you my top 8 very hot deals for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, these deals that are going on right now actively, and they are such good prices. If you're looking to book a cruise and you're interested in a variety of different itineraries, this is your one-stop shop video for this weekend and all of the deals that are going on. Now, I'm going to get into these deals. I'm going to fly through them very quickly, so grab your pen and paper. Before I do that, I want to just invite you to subscribe to the channel. This is JJ Cruise. We do all things cruising all the time. If you love cruising as much as we do, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more content like this and save yourself money, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Just a quick reminder before I run through this list, Jared and I are travel agents. Now, there's a little rumor out there that Jared and I don't actually do the work, that we have people that work for us and that you never actually hear from us when you book a cruise from us. That couldn't be further from the truth. Actually, right now, it's only Jared and I that are booking our own clients. We are full-time travel agents. That's our full-time job along here with YouTube. And up front here, I'm going to give you the website to go to if you want to book any of these deals today. It is jjcruise.com. So if you're interested in any of the deals that you see come across your screen today, head on over to jjcruise.com. All of these rates are specific to our agency. So these are going to be all lower than website rates. You're going to save additional money booking through us on all of these different itineraries. And to do so, you have to head over and fill our form out at jjcruise.com. Now, when you do that, I just ask you put somewhere in that form which ship and sail date you're interested in, because I'm going to give you quite a few here. We're going to start off with one of the best deals, and this is one of the best deals out there for any cruise line ever. We're kicking it off by sharing some Royal Caribbean itineraries, and I'm going to start by sharing this particular cruise out of Los Angeles. It's on Ovation of the Seas, which is a Quantum class ship, on December 4th, 2026. So we're looking at December next year. This is a 7-night cruise that leaves Los Angeles, goes to Catalina Island, has an overnight stop in Cabo, Mexico, and then you hit up Ensenada on your way back. Now, pricing that I'm going to give you here is for 2 people, and this is going to include your cruise fare, your taxes, and your port fees. An ocean view balcony for 2 people, $1,694. If you're interested in just a standard ocean view, it's going to be $1,392. And finally, an interior stateroom will cost you $1,262. That's the price for 2. That is not per person. That is for 2 people total for a 7-night cruise to Mexico. Moving on down my list, this is a really exciting sailing, and it's one that I've talked before on here. We have a few cabins left in this deal, but this deal is so beyond inexpensive for a transatlantic cruise. It's Legend of the Seas. That is the newest and largest ship in the world, debuting in Europe next year on its 13-night transatlantic voyage. So this is going from Barcelona, Spain, hits up 3 port stops in Spain, including Alicante, Cadiz, and Malaga, crosses the Atlantic, and ends in Florida. This is a 13-night cruise. We have 2 different stateroom types available. We have an ocean view balcony guarantee. That means Royal Caribbean picks that room for you for 2 people, including taxes and port fees, for $4,760. If that's a little bit too pricey for you and want an even better deal, we have an ocean view guaranteed stateroom for $3,720. Now, this is one of the best deals on a transatlantic cruise out there right now on the market, let alone that it's going to be on the largest cruise ship in the world and Royal Caribbean's brand new ship. There is another Icon class ship that's doing a repositioning cruise, and we've got a really great and hot deal on that one too. It is Icon of the Seas. It's 9-night repositioning cruise from Miami to Galveston, stopping in both Aruba and Curacao. Right now, for 2 people, including taxes and port fees, and an ocean view balcony, it is $4,667. Now, if you notice, I'm not sharing every single category. I'm sharing what the best deals are. So for example, that's the balcony price. It might be the same price right now on Royal Caribbean's website to get an ocean view or an interior. So that's why I'm not talking about those other categories. I'm just sharing with you what the best deals are. Now, that Icon of the Seas repositioning cruise is going to take place August 7th, 2027. So that is one that's a little bit further out, but August 7th, 2027 for that Icon of the Seas repositioning cruise. Let's take a look at a cruise out of Galveston that is also a great deal. Symphony of the Seas is moving over to Galveston next year for the very first time. Symphony of the Seas has a 7-night Western Caribbean itinerary heading over to Mexico and back to Galveston on November 8th, 2026. This is 7 nights for 2 people, including taxes and port fees. An ocean view balcony is $2,048 total for 2. You can get an ocean view for $1,702. Folks, this is an amazing cruise for an amazing price, and it does have some of the best entertainment at sea. We've looked at Royal Caribbean. Let's take a look at some celebrity cruises that have a great price. And we're going to start by talking about the Celebrity Beyond. Now, this next deal is so exciting because it's a cruise over Halloween. It's October 25th, 2026. It's a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise. Leaves out of Miami, heading to Dominican Republic, Tortola, and St. Martin. Now, all of the prices I'm going to share with you on Celebrity Cruises today include your classic beverage package and basic Wi-Fi for 2 guests. So again, total cost, cruise fare, taxes, port fees, classic drinks, and basic Wi-Fi for 2. The price for an infinite veranda for 2 people on this 7-night sailing with your drinks and Wi-Fi is $3,399. This is one of Royal Caribbean's newer ships. It's an Edge-class ship. It is a beautiful ship, and this is a great Eastern Caribbean itinerary. So if you're interested in going on the Beyond, again, for 2 people in an infinite veranda room, just under $3,400. If you're interested, though, in trying Celebrity's newest ship for an even lower price, we have a deal December 13th, 2026 on the Celebrity Xcel. This is the brand new cruise ship on a sailing next year. It's a 7-night Western Caribbean cruise to Nassau, Bahamas, Grand Cayman, Cozumel, and Costa Maya. This price again includes your cruise fare, classic drinks, basic Wi-Fi for 2 guests in an infinite veranda, $3,385. If you haven't seen, we were just on this ship. It is an incredible ship with amazing entertainment and so much to do. This is definitely one to check out. Again, $3,385 in an infinite veranda for 2. If you're saying, Jordan, that's a little bit too pricey for me, I want to get the price down even a little bit lower, don't worry, bestie, I got ya. Let's look at the Celebrity Eclipse. The Celebrity Eclipse going out of Fort Lauderdale on March 8th, 2026. So that's just a few months from now on a 6-night Western Caribbean going from Fort Lauderdale to Grand Cayman, Cozumel, and Nassau, Bahamas. The price in a balcony veranda for 2 guests with drinks and Wi-Fi, $2,289 total for 2 guests. That is a price that just cannot be beat when you include the drinks and Wi-Fi bundle and you're in an ocean view balcony. Now, if you are someone that wants something a little bit nicer and you'd like to try maybe something like Aqua Class, I've got a deal for you too right now on board the Celebrity Summit. Same month, next year, March 28th, 2026, 7-night Western Caribbean to Grand Cayman, Jamaica, and Cozumel. Your price for taxes, port fees, cruise fare, drinks, and Wi-Fi in an Aqua Class Ocean View Veranda, $3,235. Aqua Class also includes perks like the Restaurant Blue for breakfast and dinner, and of course, access to that Persian garden, which we all love so much. I know I went through those so fast, so you might have to rewind the video and pause it a little bit to see which one you want to book. But those were our top deals for Cyber Monday and Black Friday this weekend. Now, I know I only shared some Royal Caribbean and some Celebrity cruises. We do also book all the other cruise lines as well, Princess, Holland, America, also the luxury lines like Explorer Journeys and Crystal. If you're interested in any of these, please head over to jjcruise.com. We are busy booking all of you on these cruises to help make your vacation dreams come true. Well, thank you so much for watching again. I know that was fast and furious. Hopefully you're out there finding some great great deals on cruises, and let us know if you want to book any of these. What do you think in the comments below? Have you gotten some good Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals? And if this weekend has passed and you're seeing this video a week from now, please still reach out to us. There's a chance that we will have some of these deals still available later on into the week. Just because it's not Sunday or Monday of Cyber Monday weekend does not mean that we might not be able to hook you up and book these deals. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Jordan. This is JJ Cruise, and until next time, see ya.